So, if you've ever had an idea for a product, a piece of clothing, a bag, a hoodie, anything, you probably know this feeling. You can see it perfectly in your head. And then you hit a wall. Because going from, I have an idea, to a real factory is actually making it, that's a whole world. You need tech packs, spec sheets, material callouts. You've got to find manufacturers, figure out minimum orders, send samples back and forth. It's expensive, it's slow, and honestly, it's where most ideas just quietly die. That's exactly the problem this tool goes after. This is Genpire, an AI product design platform. The simplest way I can put it, you describe a product in one sentence, and it builds the entire package a real factory needs to make it. The full tech pack, every spec, every measurement. A 3D preview, so you can actually see the thing. And then, it matches you with manufacturers who can produce it. The stuff that used to take a designer weeks and a whole lot of money, Genpire does in minutes. And the best part? You don't need to be technical. You don't even need to know what a tech pack is going in. You just need the idea. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the whole thing, start to finish. So this is Genpire, genpire.com. And the whole pitch is right here. Turn your ideas into real products, literally. Scroll down a bit and it walks you through how it works. Describe it, generate it, send it to a factory. 3 steps. To actually start, you hit Login up here in the corner. Drop in your email and password, or just continue with Google, whatever's easier. No long sign-up form, no setup wizard, no credit card. And you're in. This is your creator dashboard. Quick tour. Sidebar on the left is your navigation. This big box in the middle? That's where the magic starts. It's where you describe your product. And up here, top right, that's your credit counter. Every time the AI makes something for you, that number ticks down. All right, let's actually make something. Okay, this right here, the prompt box. This is where most product ideas live or die. Here's the thing. The AI is good, but it works best when you give it 3 signals. What it is, who it's for, and what makes it different. Let me show you what I mean. Watch what happens if I'm lazy and just type a shirt. Hit create, and now it has to ask me everything. Neckline, sleeves, fabric, fit. That works. You'll just do a lot more typing. So let's try it the smart way instead. An oversized denim jacket with a raw hem and contrast stitching. 1 sentence, but look, 3 signals. Oversized is the silhouette. Raw hem is the detail. Contrast stitching is the finish. Hit create. A couple quick questions pop up. Neckline, audience, fit, but most of it's already filled in. Pick what feels right. There's no wrong answer here. And just like that, your idea is a product. So now we're in the editor, and this is your tech pack. Up top, your product name, the status, your credits. On the canvas, 3 flat sketches, front, back, and side, all generated from that 1 sentence. Now watch. I click specs up here. This is the heart of the whole thing. 9 sections, and each one is a real factory file. Basic specs, components, close-ups, sketches, labels, packaging, the works. Let me open basic product specs. You get these cards: product info, colors, materials, dimensions, construction, quality checks. Everything a factory would ask for, already filled in. And here's my favorite part. See something you'd change? Just click it, type the new value. No save button, no pop-up, you just type. When a section's done, it gets this little green ready badge. That's how you know it's factory ready. Okay, this is the part that got me. Watch your flat sketch turn into something you can almost touch. I click design mode and it opens a full editor. Your sketch in the middle, layers on the left, properties on the right. Up here, design, materials, assets, history. I'm going to open materials. Now, tap a fabric. Let's do denim. Tap a color. Give it a deep indigo. And a finish, stone wash or raw hem. Each tap updates the live preview. Give it a second. That little delay, that's the wow. Close it up and your product carries those choices through every single view. It's not a flat sketch anymore. It's the thing. All right, you've got a product and a tech pack. Now the question everybody actually cares about. Who makes it? I jump over to the handoff tab. On the left, that's your sourcing agent. It can share your product, get a quote, or send it straight to production. I hit manufacture and now I can filter. Pick a region, say Portugal or Turkey. Set a minimum order. Slide it down to 50 units because you do not want 10,000 piece minimums when you're just starting out. Toggle a certification if you need one, organic cotton, Okotex, and it pulls up real factories, name, country, minimum order, lead time. I pick one, hit request a quote, and look, the form's already filled in from your tech pack. Send it. And that's it. You just went from a sentence to a quote request with a real manufacturer. Quick tips before you go, because I made these mistakes so you don't have to. 1. Don't be vague. A nice hoodie gives you a generic hoodie. Tell it the silhouette, the fabric, the vibe. 2. Don't skip the questions. Those little follow-ups, they're what make your tech pack accurate. 30 seconds there saves you a whole back and forth with a factory later. And 3. Actually check your specs before you hand off. The AI is good, but you're the designer. A 10-second review on the materials and dimensions and you're golden. So that's Genpire. One sentence to a tech pack, a 3D preview, and a real factory in about the time it takes to make a coffee. If you've ever had a product idea sitting in your head and didn't know where to start, this is where you start. Head to genpire.com, describe the thing you've always wanted to make, and see what comes back. I genuinely love to see what you build. All right, go make something.